Looks like your landscaper cut this down. Okay, that's not good. That's your macrophylla hydrangea. Those are the blue ones you said, right? So, in the future, ask them not to touch these at all. What they did was they cut off the stalks that have the buds on them for the flowers for next year. Fortunately, these weren't cut. So you've got all the buds here. Look at this. This is coming. Look at this beautiful thing. Stems will form next year on which buds for new flowers. Don't touch these. So this is this year's new growth. Next year, this is called old wood. Not to be confused with this, dead wood. Then, next year, you're going to get new growth off the bottom. So, new wood, old wood, dead wood.